Hey there! Welcome back to the Noctis on YouTube. Israel's territory is relatively small when compared to large countries like China or the United States. However, when it comes to their military, they are among the best. It's undeniable that this country is at the forefront of military technology, thanks to organizations like Mossad and their elite forces, as well as their impressive array of advanced weapons. Israel is a technology powerhouse, evident in the various innovations they have produced, including microprocessors found in laptops and PCs worldwide. Their remarkable technology extends beyond processors and is integrated into their military equipment, creating a deadly combination. In the event of hostilities with Israel, here are some of the deadly weapons in the possession of the Israel Defense Forces that their enemies may face. The Merkava tank is the main battle tank developed and produced by Israel. It is designed to face various threats on the battlefield, both from the air and the ground. This tank has several outstanding features that make it one of the best and deadliest tanks in the world. One of the standout features of the Merkava tank is its hull design, which provides protection for the crew and engine from enemy attacks. The tank is equipped with composite armor on the front, rear, and sides, as well as reactive armor on top. This armor can withstand cannon fire, rockets, and anti-tank missiles. Additionally, the tank is equipped with an active protection system called Trophy, which can detect and destroy projectiles that threaten the tank before they hit their target. The Merkava tank is also armed with highly lethal weaponry. Its main weapon is a 120mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing kinetic rounds, high-explosive rounds, and Lahat anti-tank missiles. The Lahat missile has a range of up to 9 kilometers and can destroy armored targets, bunkers, or helicopters. In addition to the main gun, the tank is equipped with 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns, as well as smoke grenade launchers. With its advanced technology, the Merkava tank is one of the deadliest tanks in the world. It can operate in various terrain and weather conditions while providing excellent protection for its crew. The tank is also continuously developed and improved to face new challenges in the future. The Spike missile system is an anti-tank missile system developed by the Israeli company Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. This system has several variants with different ranges and capabilities. One of the most advanced variants is the Spike NLOS, which can launch missiles accurately up to a range of 32 kilometers from the ground and 50 kilometers from the air. These missiles can also change targets after being launched or engage targets from above. Another smaller variant is the Spike SR, which has a range of 50 to 1.5 kilometers and can be carried by individual soldiers. This variant uses lasers and heat detectors to lock onto targets. There is also a medium-range variant called Spike MR, which has a range of 2.5 kilometers and uses the same targeting system as the Spike SR. The Spike missile system can be integrated into various Israeli military platforms, ranging from tanks to fighter aircraft. It is considered one of the world's best anti-tank missile systems. The Israel Defense Forces have a long history of using anti-tank missiles. The first anti-tank weapons deployed by Israel were the French-made SS-10 and SS-11 missiles. By the late 1970s, these were replaced by the TOW, tube-launched, optically tracked, wire-guided missiles, known as OREV in IDF service, which originated from the United States. MAPATS, short for Man-Portable Anti-Tank System, is an anti-tank missile developed by Israel Military Industries as a successor to the wire-guided TOW missile. MAPATS can operate day and night using a laser guidance system that tracks a laser beam pointed at the target by the shooter. Unlike wire-guided anti-tank missiles, MAPATS doesn't have additional cables, allowing it to be fired over water at naval targets or from the sea to land. The launcher of this weapon has an elevation capability of more than 30 degrees. Externally, MAPATS closely resembles the TOW-2 missile in appearance. In the 1990s, an updated version of MAPATS was developed, featuring a new solid-fuel rocket and an improved laser guidance system compared to its predecessor. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems also developed various types of warheads for MAPATS, including a tandem high-explosive anti-tank heat warhead capable of penetrating reactive armor and a high-explosive warhead for destroying bunkers or buildings. Infantry soldiers need to be transported with adequate security and protection. Hence, an armored vehicle capable of carrying these soldiers was created. Typically, armored vehicles used for troop transport offer standard protection and are not equipped to deal with tanks. However, this is not the case with Israel's armored vehicle called the Namer. This vehicle can withstand any attack, including attacks from tanks. The Namer is a heavy infantry fighting vehicle based on the chassis of the Merkava Mark IV tank. While it doesn't come equipped with heavy weaponry like the Merkava tank, it can carry a significant number of infantry soldiers. Soldiers can feel secure while being transported in the Namer because it features thick and robust composite and reactive armor layers. According to the IDF, the Namer is the strongest armored vehicle in the world. Smasher is a versatile rocket launcher system used by the Israeli military to target distant objectives. The name Smasher reflects its destructive capabilities. This system is a modified version of the American-made M270 multiple launch rocket system, which is also used by Israel under the name Orev. Smasher can carry 12 rockets with a caliber of 227 millimeters, which can be fired simultaneously or sequentially. One of Smasher's advantages is its ability to launch various types of rockets with different warheads, depending on mission requirements. Smasher can fire high explosive rockets, armor-piercing rockets, submunition-filled rockets, and precision-guided rockets. These rockets have a range spanning from 15 kilometers to 300 kilometers, depending on the rocket type. Smasher is a highly flexible and easy-to-operate rocket launcher system. It can be mounted on armored vehicles, trucks, or ships. The system can be operated either automatically or manually using advanced fire control systems. Smasher can communicate with other systems through data networks, allowing for coordinated firing with other units. Smasher is one of the most deadly and effective weapons in the Israeli military's arsenal. It can swiftly and accurately destroy strategic enemy targets, creating a significant psychological impact on adversaries. Smasher is a rocket launcher system that instills fear in anyone who dares to face Israel. The Jericho III missile is the most powerful weapon in Israel's arsenal. This missile is capable of carrying a nuclear warhead and can reach almost the entire Middle East, extending as far as Europe and Asia. It boasts advanced navigation systems and the ability to evade enemy air defenses. The Jericho III is claimed to have high accuracy, with a target destruction radius of 350 meters. The Jericho III missile is an advancement from the earlier Jericho Wardensaku missiles, which Israel has had in its arsenal since the 1970s. It is believed to be deployed in underground caves near Tel Aviv to safeguard against retaliatory strikes. The missile is a part of Israel's strategy to deter aggression from its hostile neighboring countries. Israel has never officially acknowledged possessing nuclear weapons, but it is estimated to have around 80 to 200 nuclear warheads. The Jericho III missile weighs approximately 30 tons and is about 15.5 meters long. It uses solid fuel and can be launched from mobile-wheeled or rail-based launchers. The missile has 3 stages of propulsion and can reach a maximum altitude of 1,500 kilometers. It can carry conventional, chemical, biological, or nuclear warheads weighing up to 1,000 kilograms. The Jericho III missile poses a significant threat to countries at odds with Israel, particularly Iran, which is suspected of developing its own nuclear program. Iran has threatened to wipe Israel off the map if Israel were to attack its nuclear facilities. In response, Israel has stated that it will not allow Iran to possess nuclear weapons and is prepared to take preemptive action if necessary. The Jericho III missile is one of Israel's primary options for a preemptive strike against Iran should the situation deteriorate. The F-15 Ra'am is a multi-role strike aircraft owned by the Israeli Air Force. It is a special variant of the F-15E Strike Eagle designed by McDonnell Douglas, now Boeing, to meet Israel's specific needs and specifications. This aircraft is capable of conducting long-range attacks against both ground and air targets with high speed and precision, without relying on escort aircraft or electronic warfare support. The F-15 Ra'am features a tandem seating arrangement for 2 crew members and is powered by 2 Pratt & Amp Whitney F100PW229 turbofan engines. It is equipped with conformal fuel tanks, CFT, mounted beside the engine intakes, which extend the aircraft's range and payload capacity. The aircraft is also equipped with an APG-70I radar capable of all-weather operation, an Israeli radar warning system, and a helmet-mounted display for the pilot. It can carry a variety of weapons, including the Popeye Turbo cruise missile, which can be launched from beneath the water and is suspected of being able to carry a nuclear warhead. The MLRS Menetets is a multi-launch rocket system developed by Israel, capable of launching rockets or missiles of various calibers. It has a range that can vary from 35 kilometers to 300 kilometers. The MLRS Menetets is operated by the Menetets Artillery Corps unit within the Israel Defense Forces. One of the key advantages of the MLRS Menetets is its ability to deliver highly accurate and effective strikes under all weather conditions. It also features an autonomous firing system, streamlined mission management, and consistent fire support. The MLRS Menetets can be adapted to existing or commercially available platforms, such as the American-made Oshkosh Hempt 8x8 heavy military truck. The MLRS Menetets has garnered the interest of some NATO member countries, including Denmark and the Netherlands, which have made purchases from Israel. It is considered a competitor to the American-made M270 HIMARS, another multi-launch rocket system. The MLRS Menetets is a notable example of Israel's renowned advancements in military technology on the global stage.